The Ulta Beauty Hair in Full Bloom Kit is available now for $29 with 8 deluxe hair care samples that will make your hair more radiant this spring. If I am lucky enough to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The kit will include Chai Botanical Bless Silk Infusion 0.5 ounce, Dyson Cheetazon Post Style Serum 0.16 ounce. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin 2 ounce, Lanza Healing Strengthening Silk Serum 1 ounce, L'Ove Glossing Detangler Deluxe 0.85 ounce, Nutrafol Woman Hair Serum 0.17 ounce, Productist Latina Curl Activator Sample 0.67 ounce, Verb Frizz Defining Smoothing Spray 1 ounce. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.